Hello, I'm Ian Ridley, and this Take a Seat presentation is to show the difference between a 3-lever and a 4-lever ErgoSelect chair. Here we have two chairs from the ErgoSelect range, a Swift mid-back and a Spark mid-back. They're essentially the same platform, just with the variations to show you what you can do with a ErgoSelect chair. This is a square seat. It's a smaller than standard, flattish seat, still contoured, but a very simple seat. This is the compact seat from the ErgoSelect range. As you can see, it is more contoured, but a very similar size to the square seat. The next size up is the Ergo seat, and beyond that you go to the XL seat. But the main thing here is to look at the difference between the two chairs and the mechanism. So they both have a similar platform. You've got a lever at the back that does your back angle, you've got a seat angle, you've got a gas lift, and you've got a seat slide. So the back angle, the seat angle, the gas lift, and the seat slide. If I release the back angle, then clearly I can alter the angle of the back. I can lock that in wherever I need to. If I release the seat, I can again alter the pitch of the seat, and I can lock that in where I need to. Gas lift at the front. Seat slide, by pulling the button out, I can alter the depth of the seat. So you get the full adjustments on the ErgoSelect on the Spark chair, and the same mechanism fits on the Swift. It doesn't matter what size seat or back you have, both mechanisms fit. You get the back height adjustment, and with the Spark you get a lumbar pump. This is the one that requires a little bit more knowledge of how to operate. So again, I can, by lifting the back lever up, as we saw here, I can alter the angle of the back. I can lock that in a position that suits my comfort. I can then still set the back, and on the Swift you've got a very good lumbar support built into the back, and by setting that height you can get that lumbar in the right position for yourself. The next lever releases the chair so you can alter the angle, and as you can see I'm going from horizontal, and I can lock it back in a reclined position, or I can leave it to float. Because the fourth lever, which is under the front of the chair here, is related to the tilt tension as well. To operate this, if I've got the chair locked and I'm sitting at the front, it's almost impossible to move the lever. You need to have the chair unlocked and just take the pressure off the mechanism slightly. By leaning back, you now have a lever that is fairly easy to set either in a back position or front. Two positions only. Back position, when I lean forward, it releases the front tilt. As you can see, I've now got my knees well below my hips. I can even raise the seat up slightly. That gives me a really good forward posture whilst I'm sitting. I've still got contact with the back, and I can still recline, because the 4-lever mechanism, when I lean back, the spring tension brings me back forward again. So I can lock it so that it's got a free-flowing position by having this lever up. Again, I can lock it in place wherever I want. If I lean back again, as long as I go past horizontal, I can then slide that lever forward. When that lever's forward and I come forward, the seat finishes horizontally. So recline, forward this way, incline, horizontal. So the 4-lever mechanism gives you the same mechanism essentially as we have with the 3, except you've got tilt tension, which is adjusted underneath. There's a knob here. By winding that clockwise or anti-clockwise, you can alter the tension on the mechanism to suit your body height, weight, shape. So 4-lever mechanism, the main feature is being able to unlock that forward tilt, which you can get on a 3-lever, but you don't get the sprung tilt mechanism. So that's the difference between 3-lever and 4-lever on the ErgoSelect range. That's been a Take a Seat presentation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us. We'll try to help.